Hi, and welcome to ProFBO for Acumatica. ProFBO is an embedded add-on for Acumatica tailored for the FBO industry. Today we will be reviewing the features that make ProFBO a great fit for fixed base operators. ProFBO has an impressive list of features, including quick quoting, item requirements, and scheduled maintenance tracking, just to name a few. ProFBO incorporates service profiles, which are time-saving, predefined templates for repeatable work that enhance the Acumatica opportunities and projects experience by defining revenue and cost budgets for use in estimates and projects. ProFBO includes item search categories for intuitive part groupings, allowing you to build an inventory search mechanism so users can find parts quickly when giving estimates and processing orders. ProFBO makes quick quoting and project conversion fast and seamless by extending Acumatica's opportunities functionality and incorporating service profile templates. Item requirements works within the project module and allows users to issue stock or place purchase orders directly from the project for items that are specified on that project. ProFBO aircraft customer equipment tracking associates service profiles, estimates, and projects with customer-specific equipment for historical and audit purposes. FAA aircraft registry import pulls the FAA registry into Acumatica so all aircraft information is readily on hand. ProFBO scheduled maintenance tracking keeps track of when inspections are due so customers can be notified in advance. The FAA 8130-3 functionality automatically creates a PDF with all pertinent details upon shipment of specified parts and retains a copy for audit purposes. ProFBO FAA approved vendor or item helps ensure purchases are made to approved vendors for approved parts. ProFBO for Acumatica offers a complete ERP solution for fixed base operators and works seamlessly with Acumatica. Thank you for joining us today. Please contact your Acumatica partner, Acumatica, or Clients First for more information on ProFBO.